Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see the friends you've removed on Facebook, you're in the right place. Whether you unfriended someone by accident or just want to take a look at your friendship history, Facebook makes it easy to check who you've removed, and in this video, I'll walk you through every step, updated for the latest version of the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your profile so everything syncs properly. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your personal Facebook page. Next, tap on the three dots right below your name. This will open up a list of options that let you customize and review different parts of your activity on Facebook. From here, choose Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps a record of almost everything you do, from posts and comments to likes, shares, and yes, even removed friends. Now scroll down until you find the section called Connections. This is the part that deals with your interactions with other users, including friend requests, new friends, and removed ones. Next to the word Connections, you'll see a small arrow. Tap on that arrow to expand the menu. Once the menu opens, choose the option labeled Removed Friends. This section shows you a complete list of the people you've unfriended on your account. You'll be able to see the names, and sometimes even when you removed them. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep track of your past connections on the platform. And that's it. You've just learned how to view your removed friends on Facebook. It's a small feature that many people don't know exists, but it can come in handy if you ever want to review your digital connections or maybe rekindle old friendships. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.